How to create a database in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged in to your DirectAdmin account. Now click this MySQL management icon. It is the MySQL database management interface where you can create new databases or manage existing ones. Click Create New Database. Create database name and password in the text input boxes provided. You can have the same database name as a database user or have a different database user. For a different database user, uncheck this box and enter the new database user in the test input box. When ready, click Create Database. Copy and save these listed values. You will need them if connecting to this database from a script or program. Here it shows the just created database. From this page, you can manage and modify user privileges in the existing databases. We will learn about it in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.